हेलो हेलो हेलो, आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को? दिस इज शाहिद कपूर और बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
दिल की गर सुनो तो है, दिमाग की तो है नहीं, जान लूं कि जान दूं, मैं रहूं कि मैं नहीं. Well, that is Heather's version of To Be or Not to Be, and we have with us Heather or Shahid Kapoor. Huge pleasure to have you back on Bollywood Hungama first of all. And is it the most significant role of your career?
पहले मैं एक काम कर लूँ। हेलो 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 हेलो, आवाज़ आ रही है आप लोगों को? आ रही है? आ रही है? आ रही है? जी सर।
Yeah, so will you call it the most significant role of your career?
It's definitely the most challenging role of my career. Whether it's
Why do you say that?
As an actor, I find it the most complex part to play. You know, because there are characters that you get to play which require you to just be natural and charming. Then you get characters to play which require you to have a physical transformation, but you can still perform them in and around yourself. And then you have characters which are very complex in the mind.
Yeah.
And those are the characters I think which are the most difficult to portray. And Heather is that kind of a character, and I've not really played a character like that before. I mean, I've changed myself and I've tried to make myself different in every film. But somebody who's as complex as Heather is very, very difficult. I mean, if you look at even the looks, you'll see that it goes from a very soft look to almost a mad kind of, a vibe.
Right.
So to achieve that graph was very challenging.
Right.
So definitely the most challenging role of my career. Whether the most, what was the word that you used? Significant.
Significant, yeah.
I think that will get
National
defined.
award type मतलब आप कुछ looking forward कर रहे हैं आप?
I don't think anybody thinks of those things seriously. I don't really think of them seriously. But I've never been asked this question before, so I guess कुछ तो अच्छा लग रहा होगा लोगों को.
I've seen a few of the songs right now. So
Oh yeah, you have seen some footage.
I
Yes.
have. Yeah.
Awesome. What do you think?
As you said, it's very, very complex, and if you just take the reference of the play, then Hamlet does have those mad moments as well,
Yeah.
which adds to the entire. And after seeing the footage, जो आपके looks हैं and various shades of the mind, and it's very, very interesting as well. Tabu is playing your stepmom.
No, she's my mom. I don't know why people think she's my stepmom.
Because that's what everyone's saying, that it's your, because in the play as well, she's the mom.
Yeah, she's his real mother.
Yeah, because everywhere
so is
everywhere
it the same
is.
in this
Yeah,
film?
even the Wikipedia says it's stepmom.
Really? That's
Yeah.
strange. We should change that.
Yeah, I think we
That's
should.
the wrong information. No, because she's playing my mother. There's no confusion about her being my stepmother. No.
The most fascinating part is the entire complexities arising because of, I think, KK is playing Claudius.
Yes.
And your entire, I think, jealousy and the entire thing when they're getting married.
Yeah, I
and
mean,
all
it's
these
a
things.
revenge family drama.
Exactly.
That's what Heather is all about. There are two ways in which Hamlet has been interpreted. Either they've taken a very passive, थोड़ा सा depressing character है, emotional है, complex है, कुछ कर नहीं पाता अपनी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटीज़ की वजह से, एक वो अप्रोच है। और एक अप्रोच ये है कि ही इज़ मच मोर एक्टिव। तो इस फिल्म के अंदर विशाल सर ने जो ग्राफ क्रिएट किया है, ही इज़ टेकन इट मोर टुवर्ड्स द एक्टिव रूट। सो इन दिस यू विल नॉट सी हेदर एज समबडी और हैमलेट एज समबडी हु इज़ डिप्रेस्ड एंड डाउन, ही इज समबडी हु इज़ अग्रेसिव एंड एंग्स्टी। सो दैट्स आई थिंक द चेंज फ्रॉम a lot of versions of Hamlet जो देखे हैं उससे। This Hamlet is not मतलब वो reactive है, passive नहीं है, and that's what I like about it, because that's what allows you as an actor to do a lot. And I think आज के generation के लिए, because मैं भी अगर Hamlet पढ़ूँ तो शायद बोर हो जाऊँ, but आज के generation के लिए उसका adaptation और उसका interpretation relevant होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। And I think youngsters today, because it's the story of a student turning into a killer, तो it's the journey from student to killer, तो उसमें आज की generation को अगर कोई चीज़ अपील होगी तो I think it's important for it to be not a character जो कुछ करता नहीं है, because I think everybody today including me, हम कुछ करना चाहते हैं। अगर कोई सिचुएशन है तो हम उसके बारे में कुछ करना चाहते हैं, हम चुप नहीं बैठना चाहते। तो हेदर इज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर।
It is hugely double-minded as well, in the sense that the sort of aggression जैसे आपने बात करी, maybe in terms of जिस तरीके से ओफिलिया के साथ में है, जैसे यहाँ पर अर्शिया का कैरेक्टर है, श्रद्धा का, and but at the same time it's very, very hesitant when it comes to dealing with his own mom, because he's unable to just make up his mind as to how really to confront, even after getting to know that she is part of the entire complicity of murdering his father along with Claudia. So that is quite interesting.
I mean,
it's the
these
character
are things which are in the play,
अच्छा.
and the fact is that it's an adaptation.
Right.
तो कुछ चीजें हैं, कुछ चीजें बदली गई हैं. So I don't want to give you too much information because it would take away
I understand.
the suspense of how things happen.
Right.
But you will be surprised with a few things that Vishal sir has done which are not what you would expect. So yeah, do expect certain things which will be a little out of the box.